Are you tired of seeing old bundle files cluttering your project every time you make a change? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle how to clear out those old main bundle files in Vue.js when using Webpack. I totally get it. It can be really frustrating when your build process creates a mess of outdated files that you don't need anymore. You're not alone in this. Many developers face this issue while working with Vue.js and Webpack. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, how do I clear out old bundle main files when hot reloading with Webpack? They mentioned that every time they change their code, a new bundle file is created, but the old ones remain. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this. So what's happening here? When you use Webpack's Hot Reload feature, it generates new bundle files to reflect your changes. However, it doesn't automatically delete the old files, which can lead to confusion and clutter in your project directory. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a great tip on how to manage your Git repository with these bundle files, so you won't have to deal with them manually every time. To begin resolving the issue of old bundle files not being deleted, the user should install the Clean Webpack plugin. This plugin will help remove old files from the output directory during the build process. Next, the user needs to import the Clean Webpack plugin into their Webpack configuration file. This will allow them to use the plugin in the build process. Now, the user should add the Clean Webpack plugin to the plugins array in the Webpack configuration. This will ensure that old files are removed each time a new build is created. Finally, the user can run their Webpack build command again. This time, the Clean Webpack plugin will automatically delete old bundle files, keeping the output directory clean. For managing the Webpack stats.json file in source control, the user can add it to their .gitignore file. This way, it won't be tracked by Git, preventing the need to add it manually each time. Fun fact, did you know that the first version of Webpack was released in 2012? It has come a long way since then, making our development lives so much easier. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. Now, regarding your Git concerns, a good practice is to add a .gitignore file to your project. You can specify the pattern for the bundle files you want to ignore, so you won't have to add them manually every time. And there you have it. By using Clean Webpack plugin and a .gitignore file, you can keep your project tidy and your Git repository clean. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks. An alternative solution involves using the Clean Webpack plugin. First, install it with npm. Then, in your Webpack config.js, require the plugin and specify the paths to clean. This will ensure that the static bundles folder is cleared before each build, removing old files and keeping only the new ones. Let's take a look at an answer from another user. An alternative solution provided by another user involves using the Clean Webpack plugin. This plugin automatically removes old files from the output directory during the build process, ensuring that only the latest bundles remain. The Clean Webpack plugin does not require additional options for most cases. It will clean the output directory before each build, making it a convenient choice for managing old bundle files. That's it for that response. Let's explore another one. An alternative approach suggests adjusting your Webpack configuration. The idea is to create new bundles only when building for production. In the Webpack simple Vue CLI template, uglifying and minifying occur only in a production environment.